Welcome to this week's 3-minute market and crypto briefing. U.S. equities extended their rally as the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite hit fresh highs on optimism around corporate earnings and progress in global trade talks. Technology and consumer discretionary sectors led the gains, with several large-cap names reporting better-than-expected revenue. International markets followed suit, although Asia and Europe traded with caution ahead of key economic data releases. In fixed income, Treasury yields edged higher on growing expectations that the Federal Reserve may delay rate cuts until inflation shows more consistent cooling. The 10-year yield rose toward the 3.9% mark, pressuring rate-sensitive sectors, but supporting financials. Credit spreads remained relatively tight, signaling confidence in corporate balance sheets despite mixed manufacturing and services data from the U.S. and Europe. Turning to cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin traded in a tight range around $68,000 after hitting a new high last month, as institutional buyers balanced profit-taking with long-term bullish sentiment. Ethereum outperformed, buoyed by growing activity in decentralized finance and optimism around upcoming network upgrades. Altcoins saw varied performance. Some Layer 1 tokens gained momentum on network adoption news, while smaller projects retraced earlier gains amid broader market consolidation. In the currency space, the U.S. dollar index hovered near a 6-month low as traders weighed divergent monetary policy paths between the Fed and other major central banks. The euro found support against the dollar after stronger-than-forecast Eurozone PMI readings, while the yen remained under pressure amid renewed risk appetite and a widening interest rate differential. Emerging market currencies benefited from inflows into risk assets, with several high-yielding FX pairs outperforming on the week. Looking ahead, investors will focus on the upcoming U.S. payrolls report and the European Central Bank's policy meeting for fresh clues on rate trajectories. In crypto, network upgrade timelines and regulatory developments will drive volatility and directional trends. From a broad perspective, the interplay of equities, bonds, digital assets, and currencies continues to reflect a highly interconnected system, where shifts in one market can ripple across others in seconds. Stay tuned for further updates as we track these evolving dynamics.